Hello everyone. Let's decode cough today. What is cough? Cough is one of the most common complaint of a child that visits the hospital or a clinic. It basically means act of removing the foreign particle from your windpipe or trachea or from your lungs. It is a process of cleaning your respiratory tract. It is a protective reflex of your body. So cough is actually good. But it can be troublesome and worrying sometimes. Normally a child's cough should not last more than 1 to 2 weeks. And your child should not have cough and cold more than 3-4 times a year. Cough lasting more than 2 weeks or happening more frequently than this is alarming and needs immediate attention. Some red flag signs of cough are mentioned here. Presence of any of these should warrant your attention and doctor's advice. Treating the root cause and proper diagnosis is important to prevent ongoing damage. Or else your child's lungs would be damaged by the time he grows as an adult. So kindly do not ignore bad cough with red flag signs. Take appropriate treatment. Breathe well, breathe free.